You guys, the market is shifting. And while everyone's out there chasing the next 100x gem, most people are forgetting the one thing that actually matters: security. Honestly, it doesn't matter how much you make if you can't keep it. In crypto, mistakes are permanent and, believe me, incredibly expensive. So today, I've put together a foolproof checklist to turn your Bybit account into an absolute fortress. I'm Maria, aka the Coin Lady, and let's dive into the details. Now, if you haven't registered yet, now's the time to do it the right way. Use my official partner link in the description below to sign up and claim your exclusive bonuses. Not only is it a great deal, but it guarantees you're landing on the official platform and not some shady phishing site. Trust me, you don't want to skip this. Let's start with the fundamentals. The very first thing you must do after creating your account is set up two-factor authentication, or 2FA. And please, forget about SMS verification. Seriously, it's the weakest link. SIM swapping is real and hackers can intercept your text in seconds. The thing is, your only real bulletproof vest here is Google Authenticator. Here's how it works. Download the app, scan the QR code in the Bybit security section, and it generates a new 6-digit code every 30 seconds. Without that code, no one can withdraw your funds, even if they have your password. Pro tip: when setting up your 2FA, write down your backup recovery key on an actual piece of paper. Do not screenshot it. Do not save it in the cloud. Write it in a physical notebook and hide it. If you lose your phone without that key, getting back into your account's going to be a nightmare. The next level is the anti-phishing code. This is a unique phrase that you create yourself. Once it's set up, this code will appear in every single official email from Bybit. Scammers are experts at faking support emails, but if you don't see your personal code in that message, it's a 100% fake. It's a simple filter that saves your nerves and your balance. I also highly recommend enabling the Withdrawal whitelist. With this feature, funds can only be sent to addresses you've pre-approved. Even if someone manages to compromise your account, they won't be able to instantly drain your wallet. It buys you time to spot the activity and lock everything down. Now, let's talk strategy. Actually, a huge mistake beginners make is keeping all their assets in one place. A professional approach is all about diversification. Split your funds. Keep a portion for active futures trading and another portion for staking or long-term spot investments. The reality is, Bybit is currently one of the most secure exchanges globally, but you should treat it as a tool for work, not a bank for your life savings. For long-term, generational wealth holdings, always use cold storage. By the way, if you're planning to trade seriously and use the institutional grade tools I discuss on this channel, make sure you're using my partner link. It gives you direct access to the best trading conditions and priority support within my global structure. One more technical point: always double check the URL. Scammers create perfect clones of the Bybit interface, changing just one letter in the domain. To stay safe, use the link in my description once, verify it's the official site, and bookmark it immediately. Never click on sponsored links in search engines. That's usually where the phishing traps are hiding. And finally, your email. Your exchange account's only as secure as the email address attached to it. Make sure your email also has a complex 2FA enabled. Use encrypted services like Proton Mail and never ever reuse the same password for both your email and the exchange. Security isn't a one-time task, it's a habit. Check your settings right now. Make sure your Google Authenticator is live and your registration link is official. Protect your deposits, trade with a clear head, and subscribe to my channel to stay ahead with the most profitable strategies and solid analytics. Don't sleep on your security. Stay safe, stay savvy, and I'll see you in the next one.